Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Sneaker Rehab. So on today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. It's a shift knob. It's a WeAreLikeWise shift knob. I've always liked their products, but I was kind of hesitant on pulling the trigger because I'm always really picky about which shift knob I want to be in my car. So I actually found the perfect one. So it's ball shift knob. It's the sphere design. It's got the Likewise logo on top, and then it's got a 3-inch extension. It's called the Rod Stewart, I think that's what it's called. And then I actually have the Sneaker Rehab on the Rod Stewart, so it looks pretty dope. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited to show you guys. So currently on my car right now, I have a Grimmspeed shift knob. It's dope, but I wanted something a little bit different. It's not really a weighted shift knob. It's just kind of basic, so I just want to switch it up a little bit and give it my own personal touch inside the car. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing.
Alright, so as you can tell when you first open the box, it's really nice and packaged. It kind of reminds me of like Apple products. So the first thing we have is some adapters. These are 12 by 125, I'm pretty sure. So you have this big nut and a smaller one. So the bigger one goes on top and then followed by the smaller one. Probably use a wrench to tighten it down and everything. So that's that. And then you get to the Rod Stewart, as they call it, extension. I mean, I'm gonna see how it feels because I don't know if it's gonna be like kind of awkward when I shift, but who knows, maybe I'll like it, maybe not. But this is just, you don't have to put this on, but I kind of wanted to just try it out for a little bit. If not, I'll take it off and I'll just use a regular shift knob. So it opens like this. Just kind of have to get off like that. Shift knob. Nope. There you have it. So it's got my name in there, and I think this is a pretty cool feature. Oh, let's let it focus a little bit. So I like this a lot. So that's that. And then over here, you actually have the ball. So I like this. So essentially, this goes like this. And that's how it is. All right, so let's get into it. I'm gonna install it right now, and let's do it.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. This is just a quick video of me unboxing it and doing a brief installation. I know I was going to show you guys in-depth close-up shots, but I don't know, just feeling the shift knob out. Maybe I'll get another one, but this one might be a little bit too tall. But hey, you got to try different things, right? So stay tuned for the next video, Philadelphia Auto Vlog, and next video after that should be 2 new pickups of carbon fiber interior parts engine bay parts, then 1 interior part. So can't wait to show you guys that. And that's about it, guys. Let's wrap up this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at the Sneaker Rehab. Alright, guys. Peace.